Good evening, friends. Study with Apala. Parvin Singh book. Chapter 16 Stratigraphy of India. Inside this chapter, Introduction, Principle of Correlation, a note on fossils, importance Indian groups and systems, journal Archean groups, Dharwar systems, Kadapa systems, the Vindhyan systems, the Plesioklase group, Cambrians to Permians, the Carbonian system, the Ordovician system, Silurian system, Devonian system, the Carboniferous system, Permian systems, Mesozoic group, Triassic systems, Jurassic systems, Cretaceous system, Deccan tribes, Gondwana groups, Tartaris groups, Eocene systems, Oligocene, Lower Miocene system, Cephalic systems, Middle Miocenes to Lower Pleistocenes, and Plesioklase system. Typical question in this chapter. So, in details? First, what do you understand by standard stratigraphical skills? Explains various principles that are used for establishing correlations of formations exposed at different locations. Second questions give a brief account of geographical distribution, lithological characters, and stratigraphical features of Archean groups of peninsulars Indias. Add a brief note on their economic importance. Question third, describe the Vindhyan system of Indian stratigraphy in its essential details. Question fourth, give an overview of a Plesiozoic group of rocks as they are developed in Sextra Peninsula. Add a note on the proliferations of life during this era. Question 5, write a detailed accounts of Jurassic systems of India with special reference to Jurassic of Kutch. Answer question 6, give an overview of the Mesozoic group of rocks with reference to Indian stratigraphy. Question 7, describes important characters of Deccan tribes of India. What is the stratigraphical significance of intertrapian beds? Question 8, write brief note on any 4. Bundelkhand series fossils, Camur series, nodular limestones, Phonestella cells, and nebulous cell. The series, Damoda series, Karevas, the Spiti cells, origin of Gondwana, origin of Sivalics, origin of Deccan tribes. Question 9, tick the right answer. So radioactive dating puts the age of the earth. So select one answer. So 3 billion years, 4 billion years, 4.5 billion years, and none of the above. Answer is third, 4.5 billion years. Question B, fossils are defined as first we read carefully remains of living beings as found buried in rocks. Second, remains of living beings that occupied various parts of the earth in prehistoric times and were preserved naturally after their death amongst the rock deposits over them. Option third, remains of animals and plants killed and preserved in non-destroying media into bottles and other suitable containers for demonstrations in laboratory. 4, none of the above. So answer select second, remains of living beings that occupied various parts of the earth in prehistoric times and were preserved naturally after their death amongst the rocks deposited over them. C, question the basement complex in the names given to. Read carefully. First, the oldest rock forming the foundations rock over which all the other rock systems have been deposited. Second, the series of rock that separate the Paleozoic group of rocks and Mesozoic group of rock in Indian stratigraphy. Third, the foundations rocks that are occupying the basal position in any given system of rocks, and fourth, none of these. So answer is C, is 1. So the oldest rock forming the foundations rocks over which all the other rock systems have been deposited. D, Cornell's systems is first read carefully. Options of Carboniferous age and is located in Karnal district of Haryana. Second, the lower Vindhyan age and occur in Andhra Pradesh. Third option, the Kadapa age are occur in Mysore. Fourth, none of the above. So D answer is second. The lower Vindhyan age and occurs in Andhra Pradesh. So question 10, match the series stage on the left with the systems on the right. Saline series variegated cells, Lipak series Gangapteris beds, String Go Thedesis limestones, Mo- Moshel, Kalk stages, Pity cells, Umia cells, Area, Lure cells, Lametta series. So we match this Carboniferous of Spities, Permo-Carboniferous of Kashmir, Lower Carboniferous of Kashmir, Cambrians of a Salt Range, Silurian system of a Camon, Jurassic of Spiti, Jurassic of a Kutch, Cretaceous of a tree, Chinopoli, Cretaceous of MPs, Triassic of Spiti. Questions 11 detail. Give a details stratigraphical accounts of Gondwana systems of India. Add a note on its economic importance. Question 12. Write a details stratigraphical amount of following geological formations, highlighting its special position they occupies in Indian stratigraphy. The Karavas of Kashmir, the Indo-Gangetic alluvium Eocene systems, the marine phases of Cretaceous system. So don't forget to make a diagrams, make a series proper in a way age according to age, put every point right in map. So please use a proper map. Thank you. Like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.